Yes, all of you will unmute and answer, students. Answer this. Compound interest revision. Tell me the formulas. Compound interest. What is compound interest or simple interest formula? What is the basic formula? PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Okay, simple interest. And compound interest is also same. PTR by 100. Without formula. Formula we'll study next. The formula based. This is without formula. If time is equals to 2 years, how do you solve questions? In simple interest, do we take separately or do it together? Together, right? So principal, yes, principal and compound interest. I'll give you all one question, find the answer for both in simple interest and compound interest. Principal is equals to 5,000, time is equals to 2 years, and this is compounded annually. Okay, annually, not 6 months, half year. That will do it next. Principal 5,000, time 2 years, rate is equals to 10%. Calculate the compound interest and amount, students. Don't use formula, use year by year calculation for compound interest. Start solving. You'll remember how to do this? All of you remember Dia? What about Dia? Find simple interest and compound interest, students. Do it separately. Completed. Okay. So simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is equals to PTR by 100. 5,000 into 2 into 10 divided by 100. What's the simple interest? 1,000. Now compound interest, how do you calculate compound interest, students? First year and second year. For first year, what is compound interest? Is it 500? 100. That is equals to 500. Okay. In compound interest, you have to calculate even amount. Amount is equals to P plus I. What is amount? 5,000 plus 500? 5,500. This will be the compound interest for which year? I mean, principal for which year? For second year. Principal for second year. For second year, compound interest is equals to 5,500 into 10 divided into 1 divided by 100. Is it 550? You got 550, right? See, some questions you might get it like this, students. They'll give you one common question and they'll tell you to find the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Remember, we have solved that question to find the difference. Yeah, you can even do it like separate calculation. So, what is the total amount now? Total amount 5,500 plus 550. That is equals to 6,050. Now, tell me the interest. What are the two interests you have to add? 500 plus 550 is 1,000. 50. So what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest, students? What's the rate? 1050 minus 1000 is 50. So rate is 10%. Rate is single rate given. This is one type of question. Understood? Any doubts in this? Next, same question. What if they give two rates? First year 10%, second year 20%. In simple interest, they won't give such question. You can't calculate. They won't give different rate. We'll try the same for compound interest. Yes, tell me for compound interest. For first year, you'll take 10. For second year, what you'll have to take? Rate? What rate you'll have to take? 20%. Calculate. Look, everything will be same except the rate. Rate would change. Compound interest is, yes, 1100. 1100 is the answer. So first year 500, second year 1100. 1600 will be the compound interest. Okay, 10%, 20, and they might give it 30%. Is this clear? Did you understand? For different rate, different years, 3 years. They'll give you time period 3 and they'll give such question. Okay, this is for per annum. Did we calculate or 6 month students? Half yearly or full year? Per annum, 1 year calculation was done, right? Now look here, same question, same question. What if it for 6 month calculation, half yearly? Time period is half year, half year. So what's the formula for half year? Can you tell me? 2 is equals to 2 into T, R is equals to R by 2, right? And this is for both, for simple interest and compound interest, we change the value. Now look here, for simple interest, tell me what will be the principal? 5000, right? And time, let me take 1 year. In the question, they have given it as 1 year. 1. Okay, tell me the time, students. What will the time change? 2 into T, 2 into 1 is 2 into rate. Rate is 10%, R by 2. Should I take 10 or 5? Should I take 10 or 5 here? Yes, 5. Half year. Next, for compound interest. For compound interest, what will be the time, students? For how many? 6 months? They have given 1 year. If you convert, what will you get? Time period 2 years, 2.5 years. So how many calculation you have to do? First half year and second half year. And what will be the rate for first half year? What will be the rate? 10 or 5? R by 2. 5%. So for first half year, compound interest will be 5000 into 1 will remain as it is. 1 into 5 divided by 100. Calculate like this, and even for second half year, it's the same. Understood? Yearly and half year calculation. Any doubts in this? Shall we try the formula method now? Shall we start formula? Compound interest. Okay, compound interest formula. Normal methods, year by year calculation and formula method. Principal. What is compound interest formula, students? PTR by 100. Here, what is compound interest formula? Compound interest is equals to P into, yes, tell me, 1 to the whole power n minus 1. Okay, and amount is equals to what? Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. That's it. For amount it is just like this, and for compound interest, if you want to find compound interest directly, minus 1. Make a note of this, these two formulas. And one more common formula is amount is equals to P plus I. This is a common formula. So always find amount, students. In compound interest, when you're using formula, first go with amount formula. Shall we try one question in both the methods? Shall we try one question? Yeah. Try the first question in both the methods, students. All of you try the first question. Calculate the amount and compound interest using formula method and step year by year calculation. Did you understand? Why no response? Any doubts in formula method? Abigail, Angel, Delicia, Dia, Anya? Alright, okay. Try this. Try the first question in both the methods. I'll give you a 10 minutes time. Complete it. Okay, can you tell me the formula, students? Stop doing. Tell me this formula. Later you can continue. What is compound interest formula? Principal 25,000 into 1 plus what is rate to the whole power 2 minus 1. So first solve this inside the bracket. Solve, take LCM. Will you try this? All of you? This question. Try both the methods and I want you to solve even the third, not third one. Repayment question. Try one repayment, students. Sixth question. Okay, will you try it for homework? This one and the sixth one? All of you? Try even the sixth one. Sixth one also for homework.